Okay, so we will continue the learning our tasks on the divisibility rules to find the common factor. So this time we'll use the divisibility rules for 3, 6, and 9 to find the common factors. So keep in touch, keep watching as we go on with this tutorial or lesson. Alright. So this is the activity that we're going to accomplish as we go on with this topic. So we have to put a check under each column to identify whether each number is divisible by 3, 6, and 9. So before we could go to the activity, okay, so maybe take a look on the rules to find the divisibility of these numbers by 3, 6, and 9. Okay? So, when does a number divisible by 3? What are we going to do? Okay? So remember this. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is a multiple of 3. What are the multiple of 3? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So we are going to add all the digits. Okay? We're going to add all the digits and try to see if the sum of those digits is multiple of 3. So I will just give you an example. So for example, we have, okay, so for example, the number is 8. Okay. So if the number is if the number is 261, how do we know that this number is divisible by 3? So what we're going to do, we just add this 2 plus, we just add the digit 2 plus 6 plus 1. Okay, So this will give us the sum of these digits. 2 plus 6 is 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Then we have to take a look if this sum of the digits is divisible by 3. So in that case, therefore, 261 is divisible by 3. Okay, so may we go to the other one. When does a number is divisible by 6? Okay, so if a number is divisible by 2 and 3 together is also divisible by 6. So example, we have 156. Maybe try. So let's see. So if a number is divisible by 2 and 3, right? So divisible by 3. So do you think this is divisible by 2? Because the n digit is 6, and therefore it is already divisible by 2. And do you think this 156 is divisible by 3? Alright, so yes, 150 is divisible by 3. Then you add 3 3's will give you 100, will give you divisibility, okay? Or else 1 again plus 5 plus 6. This will gives you 1 plus 5 is 6 plus 6. This will give you 12. And still you can see that 12 is divisible by 6. So this is the other way. This is the way how you determine if the number is divisible by 6. It is divisible by 2, and of course it is divisible by 3. Then we also add the digits, and we add it. We got the sum of 12 and still divisible by 6. It is a perfect divisible. It is a perfect number that is divisible by 6. Now may we go to the 9. Okay, a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits is a multiple of 9. So let's try. So for example, we have 324. Okay, so we have 324. So it says here the sum of the digits. So again, let's see if it's divisible. 3 plus 2 plus 4. Let's see if it is divisible. So now we see 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. And therefore 324 is a perfect number that is divisible by 9. So I have given you examples, and that is already the rules. So maybe go back to the earlier, to the problem given earlier, or the activity. Okay, so maybe proceed now to our to the given activity. Okay, so it says here that we have to put a check under each column to identify whether each number is divisible by 3, 6, and 9. So number 1, 186. Is it divisible by 3? So 1 plus 8, 9 plus 6 is 15. The total number of digits is 15, and that's divisible by 3. How about 6? Is it divisible by 6? So take a look at the last digit, 6. Is it divisible by 2? Yes. Is it divisible by 3? Yes. So you add all the digits. 1 plus 8 is 9 plus 6. That is, that will give you 15. So, but anyway, the digit that is divisible by 2 and 3 will give you the assurance that it is divisible by 6. And another, 294. Do you think is it divisible by 3? Yes, it is divisible by 3. Why? 2 plus 9 is 11 plus 4, that is 15. And again, divisible by 3. So how about the 6? How about 6? 294. Is it divisible by 6? Yes, it is divisible by 6. So when you divide, you get 49. So it is divisible by 6. Okay? So 2 plus 9, 11, and 15, 150. Is it divisible? Yes, it is divisible by 6. So again, number 3, 30,420. Is it divisible by 3? May we go first to the divisibility of 9. So let's take a look to the digit 3 plus 0 plus 4 plus 2 plus 0. So the digit. So the non-zero, we have 3 plus 4 will give you 7 plus 2 will give you 9. And that is divisible already by 9. So is it divisible by 6? So yes, it is divisible by 6. It is divisible by 2. It is divisible by 3, and therefore that is divisible by 6. So the answer is 6. If the number is divisible by 6 and 9, that is for sure divisible by 3. How about for 419,850? Do you think it is divisible by 9? So maybe start at 9. So 4 plus 1, 5 plus 9, 14, 22 plus 5. So 27, all in all, 27, 2 plus 9, that is already divisible by 9. Is it divisible by 9? Yes, the number is divisible by 2 and divisible by 3, and therefore that number is divisible by 6. How about 3? Yes, it is divisible by 3. There is a little difficulty on this large numbers because you have to take a look at every single details, every single number that comes. So here in the 5,790,171, is it divisible by 9? Let's take a look. So 5 plus 7, 12, plus 9, 21. Okay, 22 plus 8. No, it is not divisible by 9. Is it divisible by 6? Is 1 divisible by 2 and 3? No. So therefore, that is not divisible by 6, and it is only divisible by 3. Okay. So that will give divide you one way to check whether your answer is correct is you have to get the calculator. But for this manner, for the use of the rules, will not allow you. Okay, you have to remember the rules. So before we end, we maybe go back to the rules. When does a number is divisible by 3? A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is a multiple of 3, okay, of 3 itself. There's a little difficulty for the large number for this rule of number 3. And when does a number divisible by 6? If a number is divisible by 2 and 3 is also divisible by 6. Why? Because 2 times 3 is equal to 6. It should be the 2 and 3. The number should be divisible by 2 and also divisible by 3. So if that is prime number, automatic, that is no longer divisible to many numbers. Okay. So last one, when does a number divisible by 9? A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits is multiple of 9. For example, 54. Then 5 plus 4, 9. And therefore, that is a perfect divisible number, divisible by 9. So, thank you. Hope you enjoy your learning. So, we still have a lot more videos.